we're looking for these pollution sensitive creatures. So what does it mean to be pollution sensitive?
That's you're weak against pollution and you have no protection against it.
Good. So if there's pollution at all, we will not find any of these creatures up here, okay? So if we find them, that is a great sign because they all have some kind of adaptation or tool, like the mayflies have the gills on the outside of their body. So if there's pollution, they wouldn't be able to survive. When we're done, we're gonna add up our points. So all of these creatures are worth points. So 22 or above is excellent water quality. 17 is gonna be fair, so in the middle, not excellent, but not bad either. And then if we get 11 or under, that's poor water quality. So raise your hand if you think we're gonna get excellent water quality. Okay? Who thinks we're gonna get fair water quality? So still good. Okay? And who thinks we're gonna get poor water quality?
Nobody.
I found a little shrimp.
What are some other things that the class has found?
Crayfish and mayflies.
What does that tell us about the stream?
It's healthy!
That's a pollution sensitive creature. That's a caddisfly. Oh, we have a stonefly in here too.
I found a lobster thing.
Crayfish. We got 24. That's excellent.
My hypothesis was correct. I did guess that it was excellent water quality.
So is this good news for Onondaga Lake?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so this is very, very clean water here in the stream.